So there's the header, and it turned out pretty good. Yeah, I still got a little bit of surface rust. It's pretty minimal, but overall, it cleaned up pretty nice in comparison to what it was. Right now, it's going to get primed and put on about 3 coats of primer on it, and I'm going to paint it and prime and paint the nuts that go with it, the bolts that go with it. Alright, so this is a second coat on the header, and I'm using Flameproof VHT. I've had it in my cabinet for a long time, and didn't know I had it because I used to do other projects with it, and works really well on those projects. They heat up really hot, and it's never even blistered the paint. So yeah, it's good stuff. Highly recommend it. I'm almost done. I'm getting ready to put the header back on here in a little bit. Going from just a rusty piece of shit to this, I'd say yeah, it looks pretty damn good. I was really surprised at how well the vinegar works. It's pretty good stuff. I didn't want to like have it sit too long, but 48 hours is pretty good. I saw one guy did it. He did his for like 5 weeks, and I didn't think I needed that much. But just a little bit of scrubbing afterwards is all it took. I used a Brillo pad and I used a steel brush, and all that came off pretty well. So for what it is, I mean, it turned out pretty good. So don't get those rust off things, man. I've just been soaking tools in vinegar, and those tools are coming out rust free and really nice. So yeah, save yourself some money. Just regular distilled white vinegar from the grocery store. That's all it takes. So here is header number 2, passenger side. Just took it out. Just got finished putting on the exhaust pipe to the other side. That wasn't fun at all. Now I'm going to work on putting this one in a bath for a couple days. That's vinegar, and that's what I got the stuff out of yesterday. So I'm still going to use this vinegar. Just give you a little bit of bath. Sitting there for about 24 hours, and see you soon. So the header is still in its bath, and as you can see, it's bubbling. See those bubbles? Is that vinegar is working. It's taking off the rust, just eating it away. This is the second header. The other one was made the water pretty dark, but it's still vinegar. No matter how dark it is, it's still eating away at everything. So just less than 24 hours, and you can see it's just all those bubbles. It means it's going to work. It's pretty neat science. And I'd imagine all that black is the carbon that's coming out of the inside of it, but it's still bubble. This is the second header right now, and it sat in a bath of vinegar for about 5 days. It's got a little bit of flash rust on it, which is expected. But I'm going to paint it up just like I did the other one, and we're going to put it on today. 2 coats of primer on. Just going to let it dry up, and then I'm going to start painting it. Did the bolts as well. Looking good. Passenger side header is in. Didn't take too long, about 15-20 minutes. So I think it looks pretty good. And there is the driver's side. Kind of went the flat black because, you know, it kind of blends in with all the grease. But yeah, pretty much done. But that's the headers. Pretty easy job, straightforward. Unbolt them, take them off the exhaust. Did the vinegar bath, wire brush, primer, paint, bolt it back on. Done. Easy.